Hello, how you doing? It's Phil Thatch, and today I want to talk to you about a battery that I've been testing for the last several weeks, and it's the K&F Concept EN-EL15C battery for Nikon cameras. I typically prefer to spend a little bit of extra money and get the genuine Nikon battery or Canon battery or Sony battery. I don't like to experiment with third-party batteries, but my friend David Sailors, who recently acquired a Nikon Z8, he had been using a third-party battery, and it was a battery by a company called Viltrox. He's been using their EN-EL15C in his ZF for quite some time and has been having really good luck with it. And so I thought, you know what? I should get one of those and see how I like it in my Nikon Z8, which is noted for being kind of hard on batteries. The original EN-EL15 battery, which had no letters on the end of its name, like is in my old D800 and older cameras than that still, was rated at 1900 milliamp hours. The first EN-EL battery with a letter after it was this EN-EL15A, which came in my D850, and these are also rated at 1900 milliamp hours. Next came, you guessed it, the EN-EL15B. This battery came in my Nikon Z6, the original Z6 back in 2018, and this is rated at 1900 milliamp hours. The current version of the EN-EL15 battery is the EN-EL15C. Here's a genuine Nikon EN-EL15C, and it's rated at 2280 milliamp hours, so 380 milliamp hours more than the previous no letter and A and B versions. So that's good for battery life in your Z8. David told me that that Viltrox battery that he was using in his ZF, his Viltrox EN-EL15C, is rated at 2400 milliamp hours. So that's really cool. So I decided I would try that battery, except I forgot the Viltrox part. I knew it was a brand that I've done some product testing for, but I forgot the Viltrox part, and I got the K&F Concept version of the EN-EL15C battery. And imagine my surprise when it came in and I realized, hey, I think I've ordered the wrong battery, but look, this one is rated at 2600 milliamp hours. So 700 more than our original EN-EL15, 200 more than David's Viltrox, and 320 milliamp hours more than the stock Nikon EN-EL15C. So that's pretty cool, but I wonder if it works as good as David's Viltrox and the original battery. So what I decided to do was shoot with it for a while, not just go out with it for one day and then tell you about it. So I've taken this out 4 or 5 times now, including one day I went to the Hiawassee Wildlife Refuge with the Z8, and I shot from sunrise all the way until 10 a.m. I shot 3,800 pictures that morning, and I was still on my first battery. Now it was down to the red. It was getting pretty low, but I can't imagine the stock battery lasting that long. Usually I would have probably switched to a second stock battery after 3,800 pictures and 3.5 hours of shooting. So what else is cool about this battery? Well, like David's Viltrox battery, and unlike all of these genuine Nikon EN-EL15s with various letters, this has a USB-C port on the battery. So you can plug in a USB-C cable, connected to power of course, into this battery, and it will charge right there. So I take this power pack with me, and I would use this as my first battery, and then if I need to switch to a second battery, I put my stock Nikon battery in, and while that battery's in, I can be charging this one. Only thing is, so far I've never needed to use a second battery when I'm using this 2600 milliamp hour K&F Concept battery. So this battery works great in my Z8, and I haven't gone out shooting with it in other cameras, but I have put it in just to make sure it works. And it works fine in my Z6, it works fine in my old D800, it works fine in my D850, works fine in my D500. It should work fine in any Nikon camera that takes an EN-EL15 battery, whether it's the original or the A or the B or the C. The red LED will turn green when charging is complete. But you can also charge this in camera. Some of the Nikon cameras like the Z8 and others will allow the battery to charge in camera, which this battery works for that. And you can charge it in your regular slide it in the side battery charger that comes with your camera as well. But every time I've charged this battery, I've charged it this way. That way I can use those other ways to charge other batteries. I haven't noticed any difference in the performance of my Z8 while I'm out shooting using this battery instead of the stock Nikon battery, so that's really nice. It performs just like I have a genuine Nikon battery in there. What about price? Well, a genuine Nikon EN-EL15C I think is pretty reasonably priced. It's only $59, but what if this one that works just as good and has more power and more options about how to charge, what if this one was cheaper? So the K&F concept version of the battery is only $39.99. So that's $20 less per battery, and I've got a link in the description of the video, and if you use my coupon code, follow that link and use my coupon code, which is PHIL in all capital letters, you save 15% off of that. So something to think about if you need an extra battery for your Nikon camera, whether it's a ZF or a Z6 III or a Z8, anything that takes an EN-EL15, be it original A, B, or C, this is a good option that works really well, is rated for more power, and is inexpensive. Plus, I can save you more. Something to think about. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.